Simply situated at the north end of Boulder Valley and tucked in at the gateway of Rocky Mountain National Park, you will find the warm, laid-back, and vibrant community of Lyons, Colorado. With a meandering main street, unique and welcoming businesses, friendly neighborhoods, thriving schools, and kind and connected residents, Lyons is a place that those who live here not only inhabit, but truly call home. Hiking up Picture Rock, biking at Hall Ranch, meeting friends to listen to live music in Sandstone Park, fishing, kayaking, or tubing along the Vrain River, picnicking at Laverne Johnson Park, skateboarding and playing ball in Bohm Park are just a few of the area's sweet spots. Plus, the local trail system connects every aspect of town, making Lyons easily accessible for dog walkers, bike commuters, golf cart owners, baby strolling parents, and exercise enthusiasts. Lyons is special. Truly, not a day goes by when you don't hear the phrase, "I love Lyons," from residents and visitors alike. That's why Stellar Properties is proud to represent homebuyers, sellers, and investors in Boulder County, including and especially in Lyons. At Stellar Properties, our goal is to help our clients find true direction with all their real estate needs. Check out our latest listing on Welch Drive in Lyons, the hip little town everybody loves. We look forward to showing you this stellar property or one of our other listings in the Denver and Boulder County areas. For more information, visit stellarproperties.net or call or text us at 303-442-2448.